What long-term care needs more than anything else is a very stiff dose of bulldozer therapy. But it isn't even enough to knock the walls down. The institutionalization is not the building. It would be as if you were to say, we'll take the shackles off every slave living in the 19th century, but we're going to keep slavery. It's a new shackle-free slavery. It's not the building, and it's not the people. They're good people working in long-term care. Now, here is the root of the evil. The root of the evil lies in the very philosophy of long-term care. The root of the evil lies in the notion that older people are, by definition, broken human beings who are less than what they used to be.